Hi there, this is our Pressbrake. So we fully electric, servo driven Pressbrake, no hydraulics, very efficient wee machine, designed and built in Christchurch. I think they designed a couple of them with the thought of mass producing them or that type of thing, and designing a nice wee automated light production Pressbrake. It's upstroking. It's got 4 servo driven axes on it, and then a manually operated wee axis here with the fingers on the back stop. It's got the manual and auto cycles on it, your home position set and origin type of things. The axes are really nicely done. Big ball screw with linear rails on the vertical, and then your back gauge system, the axes are really nice with the ball screws and linear rails you'll probably see from the photos. So it's just very well designed and put together. So your vertical up and down is controlled by the servo motor, etc. You can take that up and down on the pedal itself, which is a variable speed, and also you can take it up and down on a fine feed on this wee jog wheel on the display here. The back gauge system you can take in and out on this jog wheel. Both servos can go in and out, and also it has a separation where you can just adjust one of the servos, so bring the back gauge side to, in and out on one side only. And also the other servo axis drive that it's got on the back gauge system is a vertical up and down as well. I'll take you through some of that. I've got it on a manual operation here. So that's taking that up at the moment. So you might not hear it, but basically I'm just varying that speed going up and down on the pedal. Push this button and it takes it down. The back gauge there, I'll just push back, jog back gauge. It's got a touch screen on it. It's an old Microsoft Windows CE program on it. I think the machine was built in 2009, but yeah, it has got that touch screen on it. So back gauge jogging, so basically that back gauge is coming in and out at the moment, and I can take that up and down there, which you probably can't see again. And in regards to the wee back gauge vertical up and down, it's got a wee push button control down there at the back if that needs to be done. Otherwise that can be set up in the auto program, obviously. So I'll take that up. So it's going up at the moment, and I don't know if you notice there, I'm slowing it right down. And down here. So that's pretty much the manual part of it, and the back gauge. You won't be able to see that coming in out, but it is. So I'll go to an auto program. I've got a program in there ready to go. I think the machine, we don't know everything about the machine, and haven't spent too much time. I've just quickly fired up and quickly tried to learn what I can. So we just found a program in there, and went and wrote our own parameters into it, and then pushed download program. This wee one's only got 4 steps in it, but it'll give you an idea of the principle of how it works. And basically I'm going to switch it from manual to auto, and take it through to its first step, and then it'll jump on the screen onto the next step. So that's its first step. I'll take my foot off the pedal. The back gauge has just moved in now, and that's the second step. It hasn't gone up as far. And third step, and that's moved that back gauge there. Fourth, and now we're back to number 1. So I'll keep going through again. Smooth that back gauge. Number 2. Move the back gauge. Number 3. Last one. So that's the auto cycle. And there's probably not a lot more to show you, and we haven't gone and learnt everything about the machine, but as you can see, someone's put a lot of thought and time and energy into designing and building it, and it's a really nice, good quality result.